In this video, we're going to show you how you can make $6 in 10 minutes for just watching video.
We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build up the income, get to affiliate marketing. Okay, so you may have heard of this, you may not have heard of this, but it's called Coinbase.com. They do cryptocurrency. I want you to stick around through this whole entire video because a lot of people just don't understand about cryptocurrency. Country currency is always going to be around. Nothing is forever. And we know most governments manipulate their currencies anyway. This is something that's more secure and it's a whole lot more stuff with it. But anyway, what you're doing today to actually make yourself some money has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. In reality, you're building cryptocurrency, but you can cash it out. So you can cash it directly out to your bank account and transfer it to regular cash anyway. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use this opportunity. Go through some training with some currencies with crypto, and they're actually going to pay you to go through their training. So that's what this is. It's a very, very cool opportunity. And also you can make up to $126. So here, if you go through these cryptocurrencies, so this cryptocurrency is XTZ. You can earn up to $6 in XTZ by going through the course. Okay, this DAI, D-A-I, you can even read what the coins are about. It's a stable coin that aims to be worth exactly $1 US. So you can earn up to 20 DAI, which is the currency for going through this course. Alright, so this course you can earn up to $50 in EOS. What these currencies stand for. The point is you can make money going through these courses. And you're going to learn a whole lot more about cryptocurrency than you ever knew before. So it's something that could benefit you in the future. And you're already going to start a cryptocurrency wallet, which is going to be that much more beneficial. So like I said before, check out that link, one of the first links in the description. It's something that, you can make some great money, up to $126 just going through this course. So it's something that you really want to do. So right here, XLM, it's a platform that connects banks, payment systems, and people. Okay, so you can earn up to $50 going through this course. There's other ones down here, but those are the ones that are going to pay you. So it's 50, 50, 20, and 6. So go through these 4 courses, you can earn up to $126. Pretty cool. More importantly, this opportunity is available in many, many countries. So if you go down here to learn and go to supported countries, we're actually just going to open it up in a new tab. It is available in over 100 countries. So that's pretty cool. I mean, over 100 countries has this opportunity. So all of y'all that are on YouTube, are you watching this video right now? You're not from the, typically a lot of our opportunities is US, UK, and Canada. This opportunity, you can actually make this money in over 100 countries. So hopefully this benefits a lot of you that watch our channel. Over 100 countries is supported. So I hope y'all take this opportunity to make yourself some money. It's a really, really great opportunity. So I really wanted this video to be short, but this is a way where you can make up to $126 just going through and watching videos, learning about these cryptocurrencies. It's a really great opportunity not only to make yourself some money, but also add some knowledge with cryptocurrency. We really, really hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to make more money than these opportunities actually give you, check out that link down in the description. Me and my wife actually started this opportunity in 2018. We wasn't really for sure what we wanted to do, but this opportunity has really changed our lives. And if you do get started, we hope it actually changes yours too. It's a great learning platform. If you don't know a whole lot about marketing and online businesses and those types of things, you're going to have so much training with this opportunity. They are one of the leaders in the field when it comes to training people about marketing and online marketing. So check out that link down there in the description. I think you'll really, really get a lot of benefits out of it if you do choose to, join up. So that's pretty much going to be it on this video. I hope you enjoyed this opportunity with Coinbase. You can check out that one of the first links in the description and go through that link to actually sign up. I look forward to the next video that I get to do for you guys. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.